and welcome to Amulya's Academy YouTube channel. In this algorithm video series, we are discussing search algorithms. Today, let's talk about the difference between linear search algorithm and binary search algorithm. In linear search algorithm, input need not to be in sorted order. We can use linear search algorithm to find the target in the sorted list or the unsorted list. It will work on both. But in binary search, input data need to be in sorted order. Otherwise, binary search algorithm doesn't work. Next, linear search examines each element in the list sequentially from the beginning until the target element is found or the end of the list is reached. Linear search algorithm is also called as sequential search algorithm because we'll search the elements sequentially. But binary search algorithm repeatedly divides the search interval in half, comparing the target value to the middle element of the list. Working of both algorithm is different. Third, linear search algorithm is less efficient for large data sets because in the linear search algorithm we need to examine each element one by one. We need to compare it with the target element, right? That's why when we have large data set, linear search algorithm is less efficient. Compared to linear search algorithm, binary search algorithm is more efficient for large data sets because here we'll repeatedly divide the search interval into half in each step. That's why binary search algorithm is more efficient than the linear search algorithm for large data sets. Next, time complexity of linear search algorithm is big O of n, worst case scenario. And time complexity of binary search algorithm is big O of log n. And implementation of linear search algorithm is simple because logic is very simple and works on sorted or unsorted data set. Implementation of binary search is little bit complex because if list of number is not sorted, then we need to sort it first, then we need to apply binary search algorithm on that, and we need to divide the search interval continuously. So implementation is little bit difficult compared to linear search algorithm. Linear search is very simple. We'll compare each element with the target element starting from the beginning till we'll reach the target or the list ends. But in binary search, we'll search the target element with the middle element first. If target is found, we'll return its index. If not, we'll divide the search interval based on the target element. If target element is greater than the middle element, then we'll search the target element in the right side of the middle element. If target element is less than the middle element, then we'll search the element in the left side of the middle element. But binary search works on sorted data set, but linear search works on both sorted as well as unsorted data set. So this is about linear search algorithm and binary search algorithm. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you next class. Till then, take care.